Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I will explain verbs that describe different sitting positions in English. In my previous video, I explained verbs used to describe different hand and arm actions. In this video, you will learn different sitting positions in English. So let's begin. The very first sitting position is to sit cross-legged. To sit cross-legged means you sit with your legs folded across each other. So you place your one leg over the other. Let me demonstrate this sitting position for you. So I am sitting cross-legged now. You can see I am sitting cross-legged. So my legs are folded across each other. One leg is over the other. When you want to eat a meal on the floor, you usually sit cross-legged. So this is quite a comfortable sitting position. I am feeling comfortable following this sitting position. Alright. So to sit cross-legged means to sit with your legs folded across each other. Let's move on to the next one. The next sitting position is recline. Recline means to lean back in a relaxed position or to lie back with the upper part of your body. So this is the upper part of my body. What happens is that you just keep your upper part of body in this position. So your back is leaning or resting against something. Let me act it out for you. I am reclining now. So my upper part of the body is resting against the tree, and this is quite a comfortable sitting position. There are also recliners or recliner seats that allow you to rest your back or to just lean back, and this is quite a comfortable sitting position. Let's move on to the next one. The next position is slouch. Slouch means to sit with your shoulders and head bent forward. Let me act it out for you. I am slouching now. So slouch means your shoulders and head don't align with your spine, and that can lead to a headache, neck pain or back pain, and sometimes it can also lead to some spine related issues. So you should never slouch. And let me tell you, this is a very poor sitting position. When someone slouches, they look very bored and tired. So you should always sit upright, and this is a good position. Alright, let's move on to the next one. The next one is to sit upright. To sit upright means to sit with your back straight. So you keep your back in a straight position. You are neither reclining nor slouching. You are sitting with your back straight, and this is a really good sitting position because you look active when you sit upright. Let me tell you, if you just follow this sitting position, then it will reduce your back, neck and shoulder pain. So you should always follow this sitting position when you are sitting on the floor. Alright, let's move on to the next one. And the last sitting position is perch. Perch means to sit lightly on the edge of something. So you don't settle fully or comfortably. You sit on the edge of something. It's a very common thing for birds to perch on branches. I am perching on this low wall. I am perching on this low wall right now. You can see in this image I am perching on a table. So perch means to sit on the edge of something. You sit lightly or you don't settle fully or comfortably. Alright, so this was perch. So if you haven't watched my previous video in which I explained verbs that describe different hand and arm actions, you can watch it now. It might be appearing somewhere on your screen now. In my next video, I will teach you verbs that describe different physical movements. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.